Alrighty, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're watching this from. It is 31 degrees out and not looking like it's going to get any warmer for a little while in Iowa, which is shocking for us here because it has been warm compared to seasonal averages. I have an 18-volt flashlight. There it is. The kids are playing with it. I need to get the fenders off of the F-150 along with the doors. Now, I do have a light in the backyard, but it's in the backyard. That light was destroyed by hail damage, and I have yet to fix it. But the Bronco comes first. You know how that goes, boys. The good thing about taking the fenders off the F-150 is there's no grill, there's no fender bolts holding it in. The only thing holding the fender in place is the one bolt on the inside of the fender, the one bolt under the fender, and the running boards. But before I start taking that stuff off the F-150, I need to get the Bronco's stuff out of the way so I can put the F-150 stuff right hereabouts to where the wheelchair, jack, and such are placed. Stay tuned. I'll have some filmage coming for you boys. Have a good evening. Alrighty, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you're watching this from. I got the doors and fenders off of the F-150. So go subscribe to my YouTube channel and see how it goes with me getting the F-150 parts cleaned up and put on my Bronco. Stay tuned. Well, doors and fenders and hood are in the garage. Now it's time to strip off the trim, clean them up real good, wash them up at the car wash, bring them back home, and start doing a little bit of rust work I have to do on these fenders. For being as old as they are and all original, they're in goddamn good shape. But we'll get them washed up, get the rust wire brushed off, and down to bare metal, get it primed, get the insides of the fenders painted black, the insides of the doors painted black, and go from there. Alrighty, it is 19 degrees out, and we got our first real snow of the season. My son is going to come out and help me strip the fenders and bug shield and stuff off of these doors and fenders. So we got trim to remove, top and bottom. Need to remove the window or mirror mounts, some more trim top and bottom, and a bug shield on the hood. He wants to come out and hang out with Dad in the garage, don't you? You ready to tear stuff apart? Do you want some music? Yeah? Okay.
Sea shanty.
Got the fire going.
Sea shanty.
Sea shanty? Okay, hold on. Got the fire going on that side of the shop, and over here I got this handy little 220 volt Stiebel Eltron German electric heater. I only run it at first when I'm first heating up the garage. I usually let that run for about an hour along with the propane heater. After that one's ran for an hour, shut it off. It's warm enough in here to deal with it. It's like 18 or 20 degrees outside, but in the garage I'm looking at about 50 degrees right now, and the heat's only been running for half an hour. So yeah, after another half hour, it'll be probably 65 in here. What?
You see that blue fire?
That little small one? Yeah, that's called the pilot light.
It's a little blowtorch.
You're a little blowtorch. Got the trim peeled off the doors. The fenders. I gotta get all these clips peeled off before I wash it. And I also need to get all these little rivets ground off. I think this door has been worked on because these are screws instead of rivets. This door still has rivets. Got the bug shield off the hood. Now I need to strip off the interior door panel. The door panel is in great shape, but I need to get it stripped off so I can wash it all. Also, if you're watching my YouTube videos and you have any suggestions, shorter videos, better lighting, more in-depth descriptions of what I'm doing, less time-lapse, more time-lapse, let me know. I don't watch a lot of YouTube, but I like making videos. I've liked making videos since I was little, so I'm gonna keep doing it. But like I said, any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. If you make it through one of my videos, go comment. Leave me some advice, go comment, say something. I don't care, whatever you want to say. Just don't be rude. Anyways, time to strip the door panels out and keep going.